Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how to find your Facebook profile user ID. So if you guys would like to go ahead and locate where this is, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Facebook application. Basically, what we need to do is to go ahead and copy our Facebook profile link first. Alright, so in order for us to do that, of course, we need to go ahead and wait for this to finish installing. But once you have already acquired your Facebook profile link, we need to go ahead and launch a specific website called lookupid.com. So we're just going to go ahead and search for this real quick and tap on their website. And basically what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to locate and find your Facebook profile ID just by typing in your Facebook profile URL. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now by launching the Facebook application and then tapping on the menus, or on our menus, tapping on our names, going on to the three dots, and then scrolling down, copying our profile link. Next, let's go on over to the website, paste that link through here, and then tap on lookup. Now, once this is done, it should give us our Facebook ID, and as you see, it's right here. We can now go ahead and long press this and also copy, and for whatever usage you have, it is now right there, ready for you to use. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.